guys, welcome to another vlog. We just finished cleaning the truck, guys, because we are going out today. We're going to Lowe's. I think we're going to buy some woods, or do you call it lumber, that we're going to make a shelves in our garage. So we clean the truck. I also water my plants. Actually, this is not arranged yet. I'm still going to repot them because some of them we just bought. So look at my roses, guys. I water it and it's already has flowers and it has plenty of buds over there. We just bought this around 3 days ago, I think. And this one, I love this so much. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. And this one as well, it has already flowers and some buds. It's like, this is a cut rose. No, this is Rio Samba rose. So it has like multicolors, like there's a yellow and the coral color, and I really love this one. So my malunga is still there, still have leaves, and also I have here the hydrangea. So I have a lot of repotting to do this spring, so my spring will be very busy. And the weather is perfect now. It's like it started to warm up a little bit. It's still March 11, I think, but I can feel the spring already. It's kind of warm. So yeah, see you again, guys. We're going to Lowe's. Hi, Poggy. Say hi. We're going out, guys. To buy a lumber, guys. So we are using our truck today. Just going to build a, what do you call that?
Overhead shelves.
Overhead shelves in our garage. So, oh, I thought we were going to Home Depot because Home Depot has a better lumber than Lowe's, right? Have?
Yeah,
Okay, so
we're going to put food in our tummies first.
oh, we're going to eat first, and we're going to Home Depot because last time, guys, we went to Lowe's and we checked numbers, and the one that we saw is not really great, so we decided to check Home Depot, and we realized that it has a better lumber, so that's where we're going to get. So, and there's a lot of different stores as well over there. And this is a huge Home Depot. Hi guys, dito tayo sa Home Depot. We're going to buy lumbers. Ayan guys, daming lumber dito. Ayan. Daming ano doon, flowers. So daming lumbers, guys. Oh, pack of lumbers. You only need 2, 3?
No, these are like for bracing and side supports.
guys, we are home na. So ayan ang aming, yan yung lumber. The lumber that we bought. My husband is really smart on how to put the lumber inside the truck. Like this. There. Oh, diba? And then it goes all the way back there. Ayan. We are going to use the saw, guys. We are going to cut the plywood, and I am going to help my husband cutting the plywood. Actually, I already did this once before when we were still on the old house, right? We're going to do again because I really wanted to learn how to use the tools because I'm planning to do some DIY with the wood. I love doing woodworking, so we're going to learn.
You don't always trust these guides. I've tried to set this one up myself, and it should be pretty close, but I've got it. It should be 24 inches from this, and I don't like to touch those blades and get this saw plugged in.
Because that's the dangerous thing.
Should be 24 inches from this side of the blade to the rip fence.
Okay. So,
But you always check it. I'm pretty sure I've set it up before, but things can get banged around and moving and things like that. So, are you looking?
yes, I'm looking. It's 24.
No, it's 20. You have to be very specific. You want it 24 on this side
Oh, okay.
of the blade.
Okay.
Okay. And see, see how the blade's gonna cut? It's gonna cut right
Yeah.
there. Now that's on one side, but the fence can get off, so you check the other side. Just show you how to set it. So see, I've got this set. See that mark in the middle?
Yeah.
It's on 24. So it should be, the saw should be exactly 24 from this side of the blade. I'm gonna unlock it. I'm going to adjust. This is the adjustment.
Okay.
So I'm going to move it just a hair, not much. That red switch.
Okay. You want to start now?
Yes.
I'm kind of nervous.
It's not touching the blade, is it?
No.
I don't want it touching the blade.
A little bit. Okay, there.
I don't want it touching the blade.
Yeah, that's why I'm pushing.
How far away is it?
Like this.
Move it back a little bit.
Oh,
All
yeah,
right.
there. Okay.
All right, now you can turn it on.
So our cutting is not that really perfect, guys. The bottom one is a little bit wider and the top one is a little bit narrower. I thought it's really easy to use, but it's not that really easy. You should need to learn about the technique on, because I've been pushing it over here because I was thinking it should be flat in here, but I'm doing it the wrong thing. Maybe even I'm pushing it over here, if you also push it over there.
No, I'm telling you. I've done this for a long time. Okay. You were pushing on the end of the wood, and this is a fulcrum. It's a pivot point.
Okay.
So when you were pushing this way, it's pushing. What happens with the pencil if I push this way?
Yeah, it's it's gonna be off on your side. But if even I'm pushing it like this, if you push it as well, then it's
I
they're
couldn't. You were pushing it too much. It started, once you get to a certain place, the blade is this wide.
So
And once you get to that place, I can't get it back. It starts on a path and you can't get it back unless the blade binds. If the blade binds, it'll either burn the motor out or break this or trip the circuit breaker.
Sweetheart, I've been pushing it so hard because I was like, it needs to be flattened over there. I'm working so hard, sweetheart. You know.
It's not as easy as it looks.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I thought it's just real easy, like.
Yeah, it's not as easy as
But
it
it's
looks.
not. But you need to learn the technique.
Yes, you do. But
Oops.
you learn by experience.
But it's.
But how do you think I knew that?
Because you've been working for a very, very long time.
Because I have screwed it up more times than I can count.
See? And I did it twice and I'm almost perfect. Just kidding. Pull this down.
Lower. Don't pull it, you lower.
Or you lower it like this. So that to make it safe and you're not gonna hurt with the blade. It's not straight.
It's like a 60, it's either a 60 or an 80 tooth blade. The
Wow.
more teeth you have, the slower it is to cut, but the less chance you have of splintering.
Oh wow, that's nice.
Construction blades, when they're using those blades, like when they cut, this house over here,
Mm-hmm.
they've got like maybe 20 teeth, maybe. And that's, you're trying to move it.
Mm-hmm.
This is the lock, remember?
Oh, okay.
So you bring the lock off, and then bring this back,
Okay.
and bring it inside the table so it won't get twisted,
And then lock it
and then
again.
lock it. Yeah.
Okay. And that's the end, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in our next one.